Thank you for joining me today. It was a pleasure to have you with me. I guess that before I let you go, I should at least show you the kind of drink that you want to have for your guests when they arrive to your house, right before you serve my steak dinner. We're going to make a Manhattan. So we start out first and foremost with about 2.5 ounces of your favorite whiskey or rye if you want to. In addition to that, about 3/4 of an ounce of sweet vermouth. Then the true recipe, the traditional one, simply asks for a dash of Angostura bitter, which is this. But when my wife makes it, she puts 5. So I'm going to do it that way because that's how I have it at home. Then you want to close the mixer, put everything together, and do the shake. And now we're basically ready to go. Here we are, the best drink of the day. I love this. My wife and I, every day at 7 o'clock, we take a drink break, and this is one of the things that I like to do the most. A little cherry, a little orange, and you say to yourself, what a pleasure it was to spend the day together. Your guests will come to your house. They have this wonderful drink right before you bring them into the dining room, and you serve them the fabulous broiled goat cheese salad, followed by the steak with the green peppercorn sauce, and then the mocha creme caramel. Until next time, thank you for joining me.